And today we're taking a look at how to change, replace, adjust your watch band, and also set up your watch. So you finally got your new watch and you either want to change the band because it doesn't fit, you already got tired of the color and you want to switch it up a little bit, or you just want to adjust it for an exact fit. Today we're going to go ahead and fix that. And today we're going to use these watches from Pro King. If you're interested on either or both of them, I'm going to leave a link on the description where you could get them and anything else used in the video. As you can tell, they come with a gold rose mesh band and they come in two different colors, either in white or in black, and they provide that classic watch look. Once you receive these bad boys, they come with additional bands, which they can be interchanged with ease. But the most important thing, they also come with a micro flathead screwdriver, and that's important to be able to adjust or change the watch band. And that's good because that means you don't have to go outside and go ahead and buy one. They come right in the package, either if you get the white one or the black one. And it also comes with its little manual. The first thing you want to do once you get your watch is adjust the time. And you do that by pulling on the little knob to the outside of the watch. And you adjust the time either forward or backwards by twisting the knob either to the left or to the right. And once you're done, you just go ahead and push the knob inside again. Now that we got our watch on time, and that really depends on where in the world is Carmen Sandiego, but let's say you do. Now we want to go ahead and fit the watch. We want to verify if it fits correctly or if we want to adjust it. And what you do is by taking the buckle, you're going to see two little hooks on each side. And what you want to do once you have the watch on, you want to take the little hooks and hook it on the little bar, and then you press it down to buckle it in. So now that you have it in, now you notice it's a little bit too big or too tight. Let's go ahead and adjust it to our correct size. And we do that by placing the watch on a flat surface, turning it around to the clamp area, and using our flathead screwdriver, we go in behind the little bar, unclamp, and you do that by pushing outward with the flathead screwdriver. You're gonna notice lines on the band. These are guides to let you know where to reclamp the buckle. And also they're a great reference for future, for whenever you need to put the metal band back or adjust it. Now we can go ahead and place it on our wrist again to verify where would it be best to clamp it back again. Once we find the correct fit, you won't need the screwdriver to clamp it in. Just using your finger and a little bit of pressure, you just press it back down again. And that way you just went from a newbie to a pro. We will inform the guests that the queen and king have arrived. But now let's say that you already rocked the rose gold for a while and now you want to change bands. And I don't mean going from the bass player to the guitar player or to the vocalist, even though that sounds really nice. Let's go ahead and change the watch bands. And in this case, we're going to go from the gold rose metal mesh look to the leather band look. And what we have to understand first is that what holds the band to the watch itself, it's more like a pin with springs at the end. So what we want to do is using the flathead screwdriver is create pressure on one of the sides of the pin so the spring could retract in and give you enough space to remove the whole pin with the band. And once you push in one side, both sides are going to come out. And now we want to do that for both sides. You could either change them one at a time or you could do both. One important thing before changing the watch bands, you want to verify that the buckle part is at the top, because if not, the watch is going to be backwards. Always remember to save the pins in a secure location. Now placing the new band, what you want to do is the same process but backwards. So what you're going to do is create pressure on one of the sides of the spring And you do that by placing one side of the pin in the hole and then creating pressure in the other side so it could fit in the other hole. And you do a little jiggle at the end to verify that it went in correctly. And you do that to the watch. But if you want to jiggle a little bit, we can always play some Will Smith to make it happen. At the end of the day, no one's looking. And remember, you just need to adjust it just like you would do with a regular belt. Find the correct hole and you're done. You just went from pro to Master Chief. Now you can rock your leather band like you own it. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.